This is a journey into the heart of silence, lined with leather and lit by the rhythmic drumming of a London rainstorm. Please find a comfortable position. Let your shoulders drop and allow the words to lead you into the stacks. Before we begin, let the world outside your room dissolve. Close your eyes and envision a heavy, velvet curtain, slowly drawing shut across your mind. Focus on your breath. Inhale the cool, still air of the room, and as you exhale, feel the tension leaving your jaw, your neck, and the very tips of your fingers. You are becoming heavy as a great stone foundation. There is nowhere else you need to be. No problems to solve, no clocks to watch. You are entering a space where time is measured only by the turning of a page and the steady rhythm of the rain. Listen to the silence behind my voice. It is a vast, welcoming space. With every breath, you are sinking deeper into the soft cushions of consciousness. Your body is a vessel of rest, preparing to drift into the quiet corridors of the great library. You find yourself standing at the threshold of a private reading room deep within the British Library. It is well past midnight. The grand halls are empty, hushed in a way that only buildings filled with millions of silent voices can be. The air here is different. It is thick, still, and incredibly comforting. As you step forward, your feet move across a deep forest green carpet that swallows the sound of your footsteps entirely. The lighting is low, just the warm amber glow of a few brass-shaded lamps, casting long, soft shadows against the endless rows of mahogany shelves. Above you, a vast glass skylight looks up into the black London sky. It is raining, not a storm, but a persistent, rhythmic English rain. You hear the tink, tink, tap of individual droplets hitting the thick glass panes high above. Each drop is a tiny percussive note in a symphony of gray. You walk toward a circular wooden desk. On it lies a single, oversized volume, bound in cracked, dark chocolate-colored calfskin. As you sit in the high-backed leather chair, the scent of the library rises to meet you. It is the smell of vanilla and old parchment, a sweet, nostalgic fragrance that reminds you of toasted wood and dried flowers. You reach out a hand. Your fingers graze the edge of a page as you slowly, so slowly, turn the page. The sound is a soft, dry hiss, like a secret being whispered. The rain on the skylight intensifies slightly, shifting from a tap to a shush. The scent of the book is a lullaby of history. It tells you that things endure. Every time you inhale, the fragrance of aged paper fills your lungs, slowing your heart rate. Every time you exhale, the rhythmic patter-patter on the roof lulls you further down into the chair. The amber light begins to dim, very gradually, as if the shadows themselves are tucking you in. The sounds of the library are retreating. The tap-tap of the rain is becoming a soft, distant hum, a white noise that vibrates gently in the back of your mind. You feel your limbs are heavy, as if they are made of the same ancient oak as the library shelves. You are no longer reading, you are simply being. The rain continues to fall. Tink, tap, shh. The library is watching over you. The rain is singing for you. The story is over. The rest is silence. Sleep now. Sleep, sleep.